Located in one of Durban's prestigious housing estates, the tree house appears to float above the trees and is nestled within the rare indigenous coastal forests of the North Coast. By positioning the house slightly forward and aligning it with the natural shape of the land, we were able to give the impression that the bedrooms are suspended above the treetops, as well as create a sheltered amphitheater that shields against the wind. The main goal of designing this house was to establish a cozy and open living area that seamlessly integrates with its environment. This sleek and modern residence effortlessly combines indoor and outdoor living, thoughtfully designed to harmonize with Durban's subtropical climate. The use of glazing on the main façade maximizes the stunning views of the sea to the east and the beautiful green belt of forests to the southwest. This design ensures that every room in the house captures the natural surroundings. The sliding glass doors on the first floor seamlessly disappear into cavities, creating a sense of openness and tranquility as well as allowing plenty of natural light and ventilation. The extensive use of glazing on the ground floor further enhances the open-plan living concept. The planter surrounding the front of the house enhances the connection with nature. The west-facing windows, positioned at different heights, create an exquisite gallery for the client's artwork. The use of wood, concrete, and stone in a simple yet elegant design complements the natural allure of the location.